Spreading your money across multiple ETFs can help simplify investing while constructing a diverse portfolio. For example, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF. This ETF also tracks an index, but a more specific one. It attempts to mirror the performance of the MSCI US Investable Market Information Technology 2550 Index. And yes, it's a fancy name. Basically, it tracks IT stocks of various sizes. A look at its holdings shows Apple and Microsoft comprise nearly 41% of the fund. Pro tip: always look at an ETF's holdings. Often, you'll run into these situations, even with index tracking ETFs. You've got to make sure you're comfortable being overweight Apple and Microsoft in this specific position. Another example is the Energy Select Sector Spider Fund. While more specific, this fund is also quite straightforward. It tracks the performance of the S&P 500's energy subsector. With just 21 stocks total in the fund, you'll be, as the name implies, concentrated in energy and overweight some of the sector's biggest names. Drilling down even further, pun intended, you can expose yourself strictly to oil via number 6 on our Trackstar list, the United States Oil Fund. USO strives to correlate with the price of West Texas Intermediate Light Sweet crude oil by investing in near-term oil futures contracts. Pairing up in these two names over the last year would have worked out well for you. Some ETFs, such as Trackstar's number 9, the ARK Innovation ETF, create their own themes. You might have heard of ARK, actively managed by Cathie Wood. The fund focuses on tech stocks with the potential for disruptive innovation, which means companies with products and services with the potential to change the way the world works. That's some lofty stuff, but its performance has been not so lofty. It's down more than 60% over the last year. The bottom line is this: hopefully, we've highlighted the endless possibilities that exist with ETFs, particularly if you're looking to diversify by situating your portfolio across broad swaths of the stock market. We merely scratched the surface. Name the sector, and there's likely an ETF you can buy to participate.